Hello, welcome to Dog Cuisine. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back to the today we're going to make chicken sauce chicken gravy, whatever you can call it. I don't know. One of them. So I am using my what is the name? I forgot. Something to just instead of um put the chicken over fire because I don't have a fire a wood fire stove. I have a induction stove. So pretty much I'm just using oh my god, what is the name? I forgot. Like don't blame me. So then I do that and then I take the chicken a bath pretty much. I rinse it off and then mbali sabon and yes mbali clean it the outside a little bit with sour orange. So I did get the sour orange from a Caribbean store in Orlando. So we did get that. I'm just like scrubbing the chicken all the way down. That's usually the way we do chicken on our end when we cook the whole chicken in my household. So back home, that's what we do. That's what I'm doing. Oh, look at that! This chicken is dancing. So we are doing chicken. I don't know, gravy chicken, chicken gravy. I don't know. Not for sauce poule, okay? That's all I know. Poule D, hard chicken. Okay, you really put out poule D, but I don't know. I'm just gonna call it hard chicken. I think it's the wild chicken. Wild chicken. That sounds so wrong. It sounds like that's not how the name is. And then I cut the little I cut the little genou and the chicken. I don't know the thing that on the top of the chopstick. I don't know the name in English. So I cut it and I slide it up in the middle 2 times, both sides, and put it back in the little salt and lemon and sour orange that I made, and pretty much it. I'm just going to cut that bad big bub. So I'm going to look for the thing again and cut it again. It's just I just know where it's at. I just cut it, okay? It just happened to be at the right place. I've been doing that for so long. That's crazy. And I have a long time I haven't been doing that. So after I then clean the chicken, I'm just going to let it sit for an hour, 30 minutes on the little marinade that I made. And then that will be it for the chicken. After that, I'll do another marinade, which is will marinade now. So the one that you can cook with seasoning and all that. Just put it in there and cook that boo up. So for the meanwhile, we're just going to skip over that. Let's keep watching. And I do want to say thank you for 380 subscribers. Do want to say yay, thank you. I do appreciate it. Everybody that subscribed, or if you not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe, please. I'm planning on changing the name of my channel. I don't know yet because I don't only do cooking in there. I do other stuff here and there, but I think I was going to do what you call it. One day I post since I post 2 times in a week, Wednesdays and Sunday. I was trying to do one day cooking video, the other day stuff that not related to cooking. I don't know yet, but I'm still trying to see what is that I can do, but I don't know yet. Okay, don't blame me. Um, but yeah, look at that. I take a lot of time with the chicken. But yeah, Thank you. So look at me fighting with the chicken. Look at that. Fighting. Okay, girl, you going to my stomach. So what I'm going to do inside, it's really important that I learned when I was growing up, it was really important for me to do. Take out the chicken breast. Chicken breast in here is so freaking big, so huge. I just don't get it. You see that little thing? That was chicken breast. That was considered chicken breast in my place. But in here, the chicken breast is bigger than mine. Okay? So I take out the chicken breast inside of the chicken because this meat doesn't belong in there. And after that, the little bottom, all the way, the pointy point, it's a little pointy bone, but this it's you can just use a knife to cut it. It's not a hard bone. It's a soft bone. So we just cut it and the bottom. I don't know why again. We it was just I was growing up, my parents was cutting those thing off. And it seemed right and I do it. And then I slide it up in the middle. When it's come to this part, I forget how we usually oops, look at that. I can feel this knife was, you know, hurting me when I was dropping it on the chicken like bo bo bo. I'm sorry for the chicken, pour the chicken. Um, so I cut it slide in the middle. So when I just make it each part the two. Listen, the chicken wasn't a lot at all. And my sister was saying that, oh my god, you don't even offer me some. Bro, the chicken is not a lot. I eat a lot. So the chicken is not a lot, okay? I can just sit there and eat all that by myself. Um, and then you guys can continue watching what I do next with the chicken. So there's nothing new. It's pretty much the same thing with the only thing that's oh, I forgot. I dropped my new line, Mrs. Clean. It's a spray, then a candle. If you haven't checked out my website, I will keep the link in the bottom of the video so you can give it a check out. I do have the small little candle that's Mrs. Clean. It's really it smells so good. Put a little drop of lime in the essential oil, which is lime. I don't remember exactly the oil you said on top of my head, but it's just smell clean. So and also the spray. I have a spray. It's $2. It was $2.99, so I think I take 99 cents off of it. It's $2 now, and the candle it's actually $5. Yeah, something like that. And you can just buy a bundle together, a candle and a spray for $6.99. But if you haven't purchased anything, or if you're a candle lover, you love candles, you can also head to my website and put it down below somewhere around here and then how the candle look like. You guys can support. Thank you. Oh, look at me fighting with this bone, Jesus. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching the video. When it's come, I will come back. So now I'm literally going to. I don't know since when I washed my meat with sour orange. It's been a long time coming. I've been looking for this orange everywhere. I think it's I don't know because I can't find it everywhere. I can't find it at Walmart, Publix, nowhere but the Caribbean store. So I'm just dropping, squeezing the lime, then sour orange over the meat. Look, this lemon had a lot. This lime have a lot of juice. Mwen mte panse tout citron vet la, citron mi a. C'est all citron. Oh no 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 no. Get lemon, get citron. Oh wow. I was shocked. But I don't know why I was shocked, but yeah, I'm just gonna left it there for an hour and 30 minutes and mind my business to other stuff. And I'll be back and boil some water and rinse it up and boil water, pour over it, and that's pretty much it for the whole time. Why am I making love with the chicken? I don't get it. But yeah, that'll be it for now. Okay, so that's the water. I'm just going to put pretty much all the stuff that I used to make the A-piece. I'm just gonna drop it in there. There you go, the A-piece, like mustard, soy sauce, Creole season, and mustard again. The other one was something Munster, I forget. The one that have um poivre in it. So I put some avocado oil. Now I'm rinsing up the chicken. Put it in a whole nother bowl. Take all the little stuff that don't belong there, okay? Out of the chicken. So that will be it for that. I will be back. Okay, finally done making love with the chicken. Another part just boiled to get the water in there, and now I'm going to transfer it over. Bro, we have a lot of process. We have a lot of process for our food. I don't know. Wow, that's a lot. So far as other people cooking, I be watching other race. So now, shit, that was fast. Damn, I let it boil for about some minutes. Give me a moment. I think I'm receiving a call. Okay, I'm sorry. The call. I was waiting for the call. But yeah, I let it boil about like 45 to an hour because this chicken is kind of it take a lot of time to cook. Let me just say that. I just hate cooking this chicken just because it take a lot of time to cook. So, but it is kind of the best chicken. Listen, that's my opinion. Again. And then I let it boil, 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 boil. And I didn't put no tomato paste, no nothing in there. Just like when I let the chicken boil, it just give it the color. So it happened to give the color, okay? But you just gotta let it dry and fry it a little bit. So now I put some water, just the amount of sauce that I wanted, and put some butter and some thyme, parsley. Then I put my bell peppers, and that would be it for the sauce. So I did not take a picture. The funny part, I just take a little picture the next day. So that's how it looked like. Okay, it was Sunday when I made it. And thank you for watching. Have a great.